How much children this number? 3744. 3744. What is the last two digit number mean? This number 44. Last two digit number mean what? 44. Ones place digit and tens place digit. This number is 44. So 44 divided by 4 is divisible by 4 or not? Once again. So 44 4. 1 4 jar 4. 4 minus 4 0. Bring down 4. Again 4 how many times divisible? 4 one time. So 4 minus 4 0. So 44 divided by 4, what is the children? 11 times. What is the denominator? Sorry, remainder. Remainder is 0. That's why it is exactly divisible by 4. So 3744 is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Why it is divisible by 4, children? The given number is 3744. In this, the last two digit number mean ones place digit and tens place. That value is 44 divided by 4. How many times divisible? 11 times. What is the remainder? 0. 0 means it is exactly divisible by 4. So last two digit number is divisible by 4. That's why the total number means the given number. How much here? 3744 is also divisible by 4. One more example. Here 5 digit number given 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 digit. So last two digit, you take last two digit number. Last two digit number is how much? 25 divided by 4 once again. 25 4. 4 table. 4 1 jar 4, 4 2 jar 8, 4 3 jar 12, 4 4 jar 16, 4 5 jar 20, 4 6 jar 24, 4 7 jar 28. That is more than 25. So 4 6 are how much? 24. 5 minus 4, 1, 4 minus 2, 0. What is the remainder? 1. What is the remainder? 1. 1 means no, it's not exactly divisible by 4. It's not exactly divisible by 4. So the given number, what is the given number? 47,525. 47,525 is not divisible by 4. Why it is not divisible by 4? Because the last two digit number, the formed by last two digit number is 25. 25 is not divisible by 4. That's why the given number, that means 47,500, so 25 is not divisible by 4. Not divisible by 4. Now we are going to take fifth rule, divisibility by 5. Divisibility by 5. Divisibility by 5. Once see children, divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if it last place means unit place 0 or 5. A number is divisible by 5 if a number has its unit place 0 or 5. Once say children, a number is divisible by 5 if a number has mean its unit place, has mean its unit place 0 or 5. 0 or 5. That means unit place is 0 or 5, the number is divisible by 5. Example. 375. What is the example, children? 375. So here unit place. What is the unit place? 5. Unit place is 5. Unit place is 5. So 375 is divisible by 5. Why it is divisible by 5 mean unit place is 5. That's why 375 is divisible by 5. One more example, children. This is 1. Now 2. 4750. 4750. 4750. What is the last place? Unit place 0. So here unit place is 0. Unit place is 0. That's why what is the given number? 4750 is also divisible by 5. Divisible by 5. One more example, children, here. Example 3. 4791. This number, 4-digit number, this number value is 4791. 4791. So unit place or ones place. Unit place or ones place. How much, children, here unit place? 1. Unit place is 1. Is it divisible by 5? Say yes or no. Is it divisible by 5? Yes, no. Why it is no? The unit place or ones place is 1. So it is not divisible by 5. Why? Because unit place is 1. Unit place is 1. Not divisible by 5. Not divisible by 5. Now we are going to learn about divisibility by 8. Divisibility by 8. Divisibility by 8. A number is divisibility by 8 if a number having last 3-digit number. A number having last 3-digit number is divisible by 8. Last 3-digit number is divisible by 8. Last 3 digits mean what? Ones place digit, tens place digit, and hundreds place digit. A number is divisible by 8 if the last 3-digit number, that's mean ones place, tens place, hundreds place is divisible by 8. Once see, children, divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last 3-digit number mean ones place, tens place, and hundreds place is divisible by 8. For example, 3752 524. So 37,000. One see, children, here not 37,488. 488. So what is the last 3-digit number, children? 488. Here 5-digit number given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-digit numbers. So last 3-digit number. You take last 3-digit number mean ones, tens, 100 place digit. That's why that is 488. 488. Now 488 divisible by 8 or not? If it is divisible by 8, the total number means 37,488 also divisible by 8. If 488 is not divisible by 8, that given number 37,488 is also not divisible by 8. Before we have to check the 488 divided by 8. 408 divided by 8. Now take 8. 8 in 48. How many times, children? 8 1 jar 8. 8 2 jar 16. 8 3 jar 24. 8 4 jar 32. 8 5 jar 40. 8 6 jar 48. 8 6 jar 48. Now 48 minus 48. How much, children? 0. Now bring down 8. So 8 in 8 how many times? 1 time. 8 minus 8. 0. So 8 minus 8 how much, children? 0. 0 is the remainder. Remainder is 0. So the 488 exactly divisible by 8. That's why what is the given number? 37,488 is also divisible by 8. Why 37,488 divisible by 8? Mean the last 3-digit number. The last 3-digit number mean 1's place, 10's place, 100 place. So 488 exactly divisible by 8. That's why 37,488 is also divisible by 8. So 37,488 is divisible by 8. So this is the rule for 8. Once again, children, divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last 3-digit number means 1's place digit, 10's place digit and 100 place digit is divisible by 8. So it's proved. Next, one more example here. Now example 2. $39,490. This number also 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-digit number. So what about divisibility by 8? You take of the given number last 3-digit number. So last 3-digit number. What is the last 3-digit number? 491 divided by 8. One second. So 491 divided by 8. So 8 5 jar 40. 8 6 jar 48. 8 6 jar how much, children? 48. 9 minus 8 1. 4 minus 4 0. Now bring down 1. This is the 11. How much, children, here? 11. 11 8. 1 time. 1 8 jar 8. Now 11 minus 8. What is the, children? 3. This is the remainder. Remainder equal to what, children? 3. That means 491 is not exactly divisible by 8. Why it is not exactly divisible by 8? Remainder is 3. That's why 491. That means last 3-digit number is not exactly divisible by 8. That's why the given number is also. What is the given number? 39,491 is also not divisible by 8. Clear, children? So here write 39,491 is also not divisible by 8. So clear? Next, now we are going to learn about divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 9. Now discuss on divisibility by 9. What is this rule? A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits of a number is multiple of 9. Once again children, about divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits of a number is multiple of 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits of a number is multiple of 9. The given number is also divisible by 9. Once again children, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits of a number is multiple of 9. So example, 39252, 5-digit number. So the sum of the digits 3 plus 9 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2. So 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 2, how much children? 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 19 plus 2, how much children? 19 plus 2, 21. Here 7 also there, plus 7. So 21 plus 7, how much children? 28. 28. Or better to take here 6 children. Sorry, here 6. Here 27. Once again children, the given number is 392526. The sum of the digits 3 plus 9 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 6. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. 21 plus 6, how much children? 27. What is the 27? This is the multiple of 9. Why it is multiple of 9? Already we know that multiples of 9s. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, so and so. These numbers are called multiples of 9. See children, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, so and so. These numbers are called multiples of 9. So 27 already here there. 27 is there in a multiple of 9. So the sum of the digits of a number is multiple of 9. That's why the given number. What is the given number? 3,92,526. 3,92,526 is divisible by 9. Is divisible by. Why it is divisible by 9? The sum of the digits of a number is multiple of 9. That's why the given number 3,92,526 is divisible by 9. One more example children. What is the given number? The given number is 4,752. 4,752. The sum of the digits 4 plus 7 plus 5 plus 2. 4 plus 7 plus 5 plus 2. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 2, how much children? 18. How much children? 18. 18 also multiple of 9. That's why, what is the given number? 4,750 is divisible by 9. Divisible by 9. Next, one more example. Four-digit number given here, children. 3,941. The sum of the digits 3 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 4, how much children? 16. 16 plus 1, how much children? 17. Once again, 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 1 now, 17. 17 is not a multiple of 9. Why, man? Here, already there. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. So 17 is not there in the multiple of 9. So what is the given number? 3941 is not divisible by 9. Not divisible by 9. Now we are going to learn about divisibility by 10. Divisibility by 10. Divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. The last digit is 0. Once again children, divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if it has last digit is 0. Or its unit place is 0. Its unit place is 0. The number is divisible by 10. Once again children, divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10. Its unit place is 0. The number is divisible by 10. Example. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-digit number given. Which number given children? 7-digit number. So what is the unit place? Unit place how much children? 0. 0 means what? This number, this given number is exactly divisible by 10. Here right? Unit place is 0. That's why given number 9475550 is divisible by 10. One more example on left side. Four, 5, 7, 1, 4, 5. See children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-digit number given. So what is the unit place? Unit place is 5. Unit place is 5. So the given number, what is the given number? 457,145 is not divisible by 5. Why it is not divisible by 5 children? Say, tell me children. Why mean last unit place is what? 5. 5 mean 5. That's why this given number is not divisible by 5. Divisible by 10. Sorry children. Here 10. It is not divisible by 10. See children. Unit place is 5. That's why the given number 457,145 is not divisible by 10. Why it is not divisible by 10 children? Because unit place has 5. When it is divisible by 10, unit place has 0. That number is divisible by 10. One more example. 1. So here 6-digit number given. Unit place. What is the unit place children? Unit place is 1. So is it divisible by 10 children? Is mean this number is divisible by 10? No. Why? Because unit place is 1. No, because it is not. It is. It has unit place is 1. So this is the today lesson children. So next class we will learn about remaining divisibility rules and factors and multiples and prime and composite numbers. These are discussing on next class children. Thank you.